Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined today by Manolito Ciabatti, Managing Director, CTO, and Board Member at Tiber Pack. Manolito, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much, Stan.
So, we're here today to talk a little bit about rethinking packaging at the intersection of sustainability, resilience, and value. It's a really interesting topic, but before we get into the topic, could you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yes, I'm the managing director and technical director of Tiber Pack. Tiber Pack is a company located in Tuscany, not far from Florence, and we are building case bakers. Especially, we are focused on this kind of machines, and we are on the market since 60 years, so we have a lot of experience. And since 2 years, we have changed a little bit our mission and vision, and have an holistic approach to realize sustainable machines. And then we have patented a packaging solution.
There's so many interesting things going on right now in the machine building industry in that segment. I can't wait to get your perspective on this. So, let me ask you first. From a leadership perspective, how has the role of packaging evolved in board level discussions about sustainability, resilience, and long term value creation over the past few years? What do you think?
The mindset is changed in these years, because before the packaging was just a container of the product to be delivered at the GDO, and now it's changed. There is more awareness about the function of the packaging and the sustainability, and we have to do our best to realize a sustainable process with the sustainable packaging. There is a lot of attention at the board level.
Interesting. So, let me ask you this. What principles should executives use to evaluate whether a sustainable innovation really strengthens the business rather than just adding complexity or risk? What do you think?
What usually people thinks that sustainable process and sustainable packaging add complexity to the process. But on the market, you can find solutions that are more easy than the standard process, and they have to think that this is possible and measurable, because this is very important in terms of energy and cost saving.
And that's really good insight. Let me ask you, in your experience, what distinguishes partnerships that deliver really meaningful change from those that are either just small steps or symbolic steps? What is really impactful partnership mean from your perspective?
From my perspective, sustainability has to be addressed very seriously, and it requires a cooperation between the customer, the machine supplier, the packaging supplier, and these three actors have to work together to get the goal to have a packaging nice to see, because as Steve Jobs said, you see the packaging before you see the product, and if the packaging is not high level, you think that even the product is not at a high level. So the function of the packaging is very important.
It's a really good point. I mean, we think about it, consumer demand and expectations when it comes to the types of packaging on the market, they've gotten so complex. What you're saying sounds perfectly spot on. Let me ask you this. How should senior leaders think about future proofing packaging and production decisions in an environment where the rules of the game are always changing? What do you think?
I think they have to be in contact with reliable companies and affordable for a long time, and they have to take care about all the aspect of the process, get the maximum efficiency. So in this way, even if the rules change, you will be every time ahead with your technology and with your way to manage the process.
Last question. From an organizational perspective, what cultural or organizational shifts do you believe are most important for companies that want to lead in this space rather than follow when it comes to sustainable manufacturing and packaging? What's going to differentiate the leaders in this trend versus people or companies that are just following?
I think that they have to think at the packaging with the same dignity of the product, because they are part of the product, and they have to think that is important, not just is a cost.
Interesting. Manolito, this has been an insightful discussion. Tiber Pack is doing a lot of innovative things, and it's great to get your perspective from a leadership perspective on what manufacturers and maybe even other machine builders need to bring to the table in order to drive sustainable outcomes. Thank you so much for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you very much, Stan. It was a pleasure.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
If you'd like to learn more about industrial automation and digital transformation, visit rockwellautomation.com.